you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park.
Hello, Dennis. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan lahat dyan. At happy birthday. 65 ka na ba? 65 ka na pala, no? Kumusta ang ating diabetic? Hinay-hinay lang, ha? Hanggang ngayon, hindi ka pa rin kumakain ng maayos ng kanin. Diba na yung diabetic? See you next year. Uwi nga pala kayo next year. Wala na.
I love you.
I love you.
Happy 65th birthday!
Kuya Dennis! Hello!
Ikaw, kapatid mo.
Good health! Parehas kayo mag-asawa at saka yung mga apo mo, mga anak mo. Siyempre. Siyempre, okay lang.
Wala pang tagayan.
Basta ingat. Makaka-recover din kayo parehas. Okay, thank you. See you next year. See you June. See you on June. Happy birthday, Tito.
Ulit.
Happy
birthday lang. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, kuya!
Happy birthday!
Tol, happy birthday, ha? 60 ano ko na, 5. Aba. Kailangan asikaso yung diabetes, palaging control 'yan. Huwag masyado magbike na magbike, ba? Baka ma-overfatigue. Basta happy birthday na lang. Tapos happy new year pati. Ayan na.
Hello, Kuya Dennis. Happy 65. Sana maging masayang birthday mo ngayon. Malapit ka nang umuwi. Sana naman.
Hi, Karen Dennis. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Same to Marvick. God bless all of you. And advance happy birthday. Tomorrow.
Sana'y malasing mo kami.
Kuya, happy birthday! Happy 65 birthday! Nauna na kaming kumain.
More blessing and more health and God bless. Happy birthday ulit!
Hello, Kuya. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and good health. Yun lang. See you next year sa kasal ni Bacheng.
Hi to! Happy birthday! Ingat kayo lagi dyan and see you soon!
Hello, Tito Dennis. Happy birthday and ingat ka palagi dyan. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Dennis. Happy 65 birthday. More birthday to come. Ingat kayo dyan ni Maribig. Salamat sa Diyos at nakaligtas kayo sa Happy 2026 na lang. Happy New Year! See you next year. Love you all.
Hi Daddy, happy 65th birthday po. Thank you po sa pag-welcome niyo sa akin, sa family niyo, and salamat po sa pagsuporta niyo sa amin ni Yancy. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po yun. Wish ko po sa inyo is good health and maraming birthdays po. Yun po, God bless, and hoping po na mabit ko na po kayo sa PA. Excited po ako makabati kayo dito. Ayun po, ingat po kayo palagi. Happy birthday po.
Happy 65th birthday, Tito Dennis!
Happy birthday, Lolo. We miss you from the Philippines. Happy 65th birthday.
Hi, Chuge! Happy 65th birthday! And even though we're miles apart, know that you're always in our hearts and Sana lang, wish ko lang, magkakasama tayo, di ba? Para happy ka. And, pero yeah, we'll see you next year. We'll see each other next year sa wedding ko. And we'll create more memories together. And wala akong wish kundi good health, syempre, para makapag-create pa tayo ng more memories and maapak-apakan ka pa ng iyong future apos. Yun lang, Daddy. I love you always. Thank you for your love, guidance, and everything you've done for our family. See you soon. I love you. Hi, Jiwo. Happy birthday, Lola Dennis. Hindi yan pod. Happy birthday, Lola Dennis. Meow. Meow ka. Nagusto ito, ano? Happy birthday, Lola Dennis.
Happy birthday, Daddy
Happy birthday.
Dennis! Pray for long life and good health for you. Stay strong and healthy. Excited na kami na makauwi kayo next year para we can create more memories, new memories na kasama kayo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dee. Thank you for all your sacrifices, for helping us get to where we are today. Your strength and love kept our family moving steady, just like you on your bike. Thank you for always supporting us. We are so grateful for you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. Cause you're a sky full of stars.
Happy 65th birthday, Dad. Ang bilis ng panahon. Dati 25 ka lang, ngayon 65 ka na. So, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Wishing you all the best. Lalo na sa good health palagi. Kumain ng marami para medyo tumaba ang ating father of the bride. Wait natin hindi na ako makaantay na mag-June para makauwi tayo at makasama natin ang ating mga anak, ating pamilya. So, ingat ka palagi at maraming salamat sa pag-aalala mo nga pala sa akin. Maraming salamat sa kahit nasusungitan kita, andyan ka pa rin. Walang sawang nagpapasensya, tsaka naghahatid sundo sa akin sa aking mga treatments. Alam ko minsan napapagod ka, pero dire-diretso ka pa rin naghahatid sundo sa akin. I appreciate so much, Dad. At alam mong mahal kita kahit susungitan, di ba? So, ganun naman ang mag-asawa. For thick and thin, magkasama tayong dalawa. I love you so much. Asikasuhin kita hanggat kaya ko. Maraming salamat. And may God bless our family always. Happy birthday and Happy New Year. Love you.
Ooh!